Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Mazda 3 headlights. First, park your car on a flat surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and the fuel tank is approximately half full for consistent weight distribution. Gather a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. These simple preparations ensure an accurate and effective headlight adjustment, helping you see clearly and safely on the road. Now, let's mark your aiming points. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall, marking them with tape. Then, draw a vertical line on the wall directly in front of the center of each headlight. These marks will serve as your precise guides for adjusting the beam height and horizontal alignment, ensuring optimal visibility. Next, we'll adjust the vertical aim. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw, typically found on the top of the headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw to move the headlight beam up or down. Aim for the top of the low beam cutoff to be about 2 inches below your marked horizontal line on the wall. This ensures proper illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Finally, let's fine-tune the horizontal aim. If your Mazda 3 has a horizontal adjustment screw, it's usually on the side of the headlight assembly. Turn this screw to move the beam left or right. Align the brightest part of the beam with the vertical line you marked earlier. This ensures your headlights are perfectly centered, providing optimal road coverage and preventing glare for other drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.